You've got some thinking to do, and you probably should contact your dealer and find out what's going on. Okay, welcome to SO Garage. I got some spicy information for you, so let's get to it. Okay, so I just got an email from Ford Authority. Ford notified everyone that with the chip shortages and other supply restraints for the automotive industry, Ford has had to drop several features from a variety of vehicles. Some temporary and some more permanent. This now includes the 2022 Ford Bronco. So if you have a Bronco on order, you might want to listen up. So you already can't get the paint protective film from the factory. You have to do that afterwards. Ford stopped taking orders back in February. So this is going to impact all the orders that are out there right now. So Ford is also now ditching, and that was their words, ditching the factory navigation system starting on May 2nd. So if you had a Bronco on order that was supposed to have navigation, I believe it was optional on the Big Bend and up trims and some of the trims it was standard on, guess what? You aren't getting navigation on your Bronco. So this change was officially presented as a navigation removal and was assigned a 59D order code, which means it has been completely removed from the entire lineup. That means none of the 2022 Ford Broncos built from May 2nd on, which they did say that that date could change, so it could be earlier than May 2nd. None of them will come with navigation. They did say that this could change depending on chip supply. So they could add the navigation back in if they get a good supply of chips. Which then means that when those chips come in and they start putting that back in, some are going to have navigation and some of you are not going to get your navigation. And the other thing is a lot of these things they've been adding at the dealership afterwards. Apparently, this is saying that it doesn't appear that it's going to be something that the dealership can add afterwards. Now, it's possible that it might be, but they said it does not appear that they will be able to add it at your dealership at a later date. So, Ford Bronco order holders, you've got some thinking to do, and you probably should contact your dealer and find out what's going on. I don't know what your options will be, but you might want to check that out. And I will see you later.